Dude, why?
Doesn't it look so nice?
Aki lunch for my husband. Hey, 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 hey. Dale, hey, 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 hey. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. We have, okay, guys. You guys are gonna be in. I have freaking pelus everywhere. You guys are gonna be in with us in this little secret. So I'm gonna tell you guys something, but we gotta keep this as confidential as possible. So we are trying to surprise my son with a little mini room makeover because I've been begging for years for him to do something with that room. It looks like a prison cell. There's nothing there besides a bed that's never done and a TV. That's it. And I've been telling him, like, bro, like, you need some cajones, you need new blankets, like, let's get you a dresser. He's like, nope, 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 nope. For everything is a no. So I took it upon myself to be extremely invasive, according to Jose, and invade his privacy with the help of his girlfriend, because it's not invading privacy if his girlfriend's here, because she gave me permission to be in there. But anyways, we are gonna surprise him with a little mini room makeover because I don't want to overdo it since he just wants to have a bed in his room. So I don't want to overdo it, and I'm just gonna give it a woman's touch. And everybody's in on it here at the house. We're trying to hurry up and finish it before he gets here from work, or else he's not gonna let me do it. As soon as he sees me pull up with things, he's gonna be like, absolutely not. So if we do it and it's there and he sees how nice it looks, he has no other option. I already started, and that's why I'm like asoleada, because I was trying to put his area rug underneath the bed. We have Mr. Hubby here helping. Look at him. I know, that's why I told you to do it.
I know they're kind of pain in the ass.
I did the other one because it was pretty easy, but this one had too many tools, so I was like, absolutely not.
It's only one screwdriver.
No, I mean too many parts.
Oh, you said tools. I'm like
too many parts. But anyways, let me show you guys what we got going on. I'm gonna tell Jose to put a picture of his prison room right here. Please, jump scare. I got a little area rug for him, but it's too long and I'm not gonna return it. We have no time. So we're gonna make it work. And then we're putting on his bedding on his bed. And then we'll show you guys the rest when everything's put together. Like, put together. I got him this duvet. A duvet. The toupee's for you, Jose. And I'm going to show Natalie how... What the heck is this? Somebody's freaking carniceria number. I'm going to show Natalie how to roll this, or how to insert the comforter in this duvet. That way she knows how to do it and she doesn't have to fight with it like Jose fights with mine. Okay, so there's a trick to this. You need to put this inside out. That one's there. But we're going to start on the bottom. Okay. And the bottom, we're going to grab all of these corners, have little strings, and then you're gonna hook them onto these.
Do you put one in, or you're gonna put both? Kind of like your shoe?
Yeah. And it has to be inside out in here. You have to roll it into a burrito. So grab that side and help me roll it all the way into a burrito. And just tug it. And then you keep rolling, tug, roll, and then once you get to this part, the zipper part, you're going to stick the whole burrito in it like this. Watch. Like this. And then do this.
Oh gosh, I wonder how Jose did it.
He doesn't. He doesn't. He doesn't do this, and he puts it in the washer like this, so the insert gets so tangled, and it doesn't work. We already put the comforter now. Well, almost. No mames, well, the North Pole ticket is here for New York. No mames, bro. You're helping Doodoo? Good job, my baby. What about your room? How does your room look?
Just clean.
Okay. This is where we see if our measurements worked. Imagine our fall. Does it look straight?
Yeah.
So since Josiah's bed frame moves and gives massages and I don't know what else the bed does, it vibrates, it freaking
Forward.
yeah. The frame is not aligning with this, so we're gonna have to hang it on the wall. I am mounting these little things with Jose's power tools. Oh, here comes Jose. All the muscles involved. That's gonna go right here on the side. It's gonna replace his freaking cajon that he's had since the 5th grade. No, I think we brought this from Shack Attack, I think. It's giving bedroom. Josiah. See what a little bit of a woman's touch can do? And I need you to put one of these up there. Or what, up here?
I mean, I don't know how long that.
There's two.
There's two.
Yeah, so we can have one like above here, so it doesn't look so plain, and then maybe one up here. The ADHD in me cannot. All right, guys, we brought the reinforcements. Yeah, I know.
I don't really know.
I know I was talking shit, but what, does it measure the same?
Yeah, I just measure the middle.
Oh, okay.
And then I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm confused. Like, what is this?
I know.
It's because so this is the middle of this thing, right? And I was gonna like mark it like how far down where she's gonna land at. Like see how it's like center to this. But I got confused. I was like, what am I doing?
Here to connect it.
Yeah, the bracket. Watch, let me see that bracket. Oh, okay. So the bracket's gonna be like this, right? Like right here, because that's the bottom of it.
Wait, no, it's gonna be in the middle, because this is the middle.
Oh, that's right, yeah. So it's gonna be like this. Down, almost messed up. So it's gonna be like that. So we're gonna make these same things over there, right? On the wall. And that should be like...
And to anchor it. Moment of truth. Let's see if Jose's measurements with his Mickey Mouse foam worked.
Here we go.
Yeah. You see how sometimes this works better than all your stuff?
And it's kind of loud, look.
Oh, hell no, Natalie.
You just hit the first backwards.
I know.
Look.
We're gonna come in here and Josiah's gonna have a little fucking mono right here. This became a full-blown decluttering Josiah's room.
I'm Measure Man. I'm the measure.
The good thing is that we have Mr. Handy Dandy notebook here.
Notebook.
Mr. Handy Dandy Bob the Builder. Mr. Handy Dandy Honey Hole. Well,
27.4.
okay, so we got the shelf. And apparently everybody is a meeting in Josiah's room. Look, everybody's here. Even the dog.
We're
having a team meeting.
Yeah, we're doing it. Everybody's doing. Wow, the hubs.
It was a screw, man. Come on.
Oh,
Oh, he's
It
like,
was just glue.
sorry. He's fixing the door because every
Hey,
time.
no, stop that.
Every time we opened this door, it felt like the whole house was gonna fall apart. But of course, the hub's always here to the rescue. And let me give you guys a quick little update. We have sliding doors. Look. Do we?
I mean, it's on the track. We have to adjust the wheel.
Look at on this side it isn't.
Maybe it's chueco.
It is.
Maybe the wheel's broken.
You know everything, my love.
The wheel is broken?
Yeah. And look what we found in Josiah's stuff.
Hold on.
His little gag gifts from his 18th
What?
birthday. What can we put on the corner?
or why don't you just move the more down? Yeah, move everything a little bit more down and space them out.
Is that a decoration too right there?
More, Natalie. More to the right.
What? Oh, the
And
dog?
then move his diploma more down to the right.
Thanks, husband.
There you go. Period.
Oh, that's gonna drive me nuts though because it's not a line in the middle.
What's not line in the middle?
The King Saya sign.
Okay, we'll push him more towards the middle.
I can't see this.
Uh-oh. Is it straight?
Nope. The right side needs to go up a little bit more. Right there.
Gang, gang.
Oh wow.
Natalie!
Yeah, it's a frame. Should I put it like here, low, like right here, or should I put it
Look
higher?
again. Look. Hey, Natalie!
Right here?
Natalie! Look at
Oh my goodness, Justin.
this.
Like align with the bed, or lower?
I think right there is good.
Why am I such a baddie?
Wow, the baddiest of the baddies.
Now we're gonna hide these cords.
Dude, I hate like all these boxes.
When he liked it, his bush is gonna catch on fire.
When what?
He liked it, his bush is gonna catch on fire. You don't want to put his over here with his 7,000 chopsticks?
One thing's for sure is his lips will never be chapped.
Never, period.
Let's count them, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 chopsticks. Lucky number 13. We're almost done. We're just putting these. Yo meto estos y ella los saca. Are these his shirts? Where are these gonna go? Oh. Okay, guys.
Okay.
I don't know. Apparently, we're gonna abort this mission. His little medal, because we don't know where to put it. I mean, it doesn't stand. It doesn't sit. So, what
You
can
can't
we
lean
do?
it up against right here.
What can we do with these? Can we do this? Or is that ruining the vibes?
I was thinking this was my vision. You could, or put them on his mirror. But you can have them like right here. Or yeah, you
This
could,
is an extra one. Somebody didn't take their copy.
No, it actually, matter of fact, came in 3, so I did take my copy.
oh.
There it is. Electrician Drive. And welcome to his new room. Oops. Hold on, guys. There you go. Welcome to his new room. I didn't want to change it up too much because it is Josiah and Josiah is Josiah. I still kind of kept his little personality, I hope. His little monos, and apparently I'm a grandma, and that is my granddaughter right there. The baby mama
Mom!
agrees.
Mom!
Doesn't it look so nice? Do you love it?
Yeah.
Wow, we did good. We did good. We did good. It only took us about 3 hours.
It took us, yeah, this how long?
And even though this thing, like from the side, it kind of looks off, it's kind of not. Look, you see?
What's off?
Like when I'm recording like this on the side, it kind of looks like it's crooked. Not crooked.
shelf?
No, it just kind of looks like it's not symmetrical. But if you look like this, then it is. Like the shelf is matching the bed. Let's see. It looks so cute. I hope I can get a reaction and just, you know, be aware. Josiah has to say something. If he doesn't like something, he'll be like the nicest person ever. And then when you turn around, he'll be like, that was ass. But if he likes it, he's gonna say, that's stupid or something like that. And also that's gonna come off. That's just like a little prank. It's a gag gift that he got for his 18th birthday. And it's gonna go away. And so is the bush. We just have it there for now. But that is it, guys. Come on, Joseph. Let's go eat some seafood boil.
Dude, why?
Doesn't it look so nice?
I know they was like, I'm looking.
Doesn't it look so nice?
And now I farted.
You guys put the fan up there?
I farted.
We found your plants.
Oh, thank you. Should put the other one. Oh, thank
We
you.
did. It's right there. But they're pranks. You can take them off.
Oh, yeah.
I guess. Doesn't it look so nice? Look at your bed. Like you have a little rug.
What's up with you and rugs? Oh, in the closet, it slides now. Why, you guys fixed it?
Jose fixed it.
Oh, sort of. It doesn't. It has a broken wheel, but it.
Watch, slide it.
Has a broken wheel.
Is it giving organized? What about the other side? He said, I don't like this.
He doesn't like it?
You can organize it later and declutter your stuff. But
Yeah.
we just kind of picked it up a bit. And we made sure to put your daughter.
Oh, you guys put electrician dryer. That's funny.
Oh, he noticed it. That's probably the only thing he liked. Do you like it, Saya, or no? Say something. Do you like it? Like, I got your diploma and King Saya and your little thing and Roman range.
What's this?
It's your headboard. Now you have a headboard. And Jose hooked it up with socks so there's no noises coming.
You guys broke the dryer off?
No. He just put the socks so there would be no banging.
Yeah, so we wouldn't.
Cause it was like a little.
There, though,
plug
you're gonna
that
break
was
it.
on, and it was hella making more noises.
So it's not
Yeah, like that, but worse, like bad.
Yeah, so he hooked it up with socks that
I thought you
way.
guys are actually serious. I heard you smell like cow shit. And I was like, dude, I washed my pants.
Does it look nice? You like it?
Yeah,
Does it look like a room?
not really. This is not.
It looks like Josiah's the one visiting.
It looks like Natalie's room and Josiah's visiting.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mom.
You're welcome, puppy. Oh, Natalie helped a lot. That's why she stayed.
Oh, that's why she stayed?
Yeah.
No wonder that was kind of weird. I was like, alright, cool. I don't gotta be late for work.
Hey, 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 dale gas, hey, 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 yeah.